Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NNEPS Home School. I am Sabrina Hawk, assistant teacher of Science, National Idol English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a chemistry class for class 9 student on the based on assignment 3, and let us move for today's topic. Dear students, here there are different substances in the human body. Write a report on determining the molecular mass of that will be 3 compounds. Dear students, of 3 compounds, including the symbols, atomic masses of the elements present in the 3 compounds found in human body and the formulas of the compounds. Now come to the instruction. If necessary, take help of your teachers in the selection of the name of 3 compounds. In the case, you can use website too. Dear student, there is lots of chemical or compounds which is available in our body. So we have to determine 3 compounds molecular mass from its formula, and already we have finished chapter 6. From there we have learned how we have to find out the molecular mass easily. Now come to the solution of the assignment. We have to write the report. So here the topic is assignment 3, and come to the report. Report's name is determine the molecular mass of 3 compounds which is found in human body. And come next one, the 2 Headmaster, National Idol English Version School, Banusri, Dhaka, and subject is report submission on determine the molecular mass of 3 compounds which is found in human body, and reference is NIEVS 1244. Then the application or apply. Dear sir, according to your order now, NIEVS 1244, I am presenting a report on determine the molecular mass of 3 compounds which found in human body. Now come to our report. Determining molecular mass of 3 compounds found in human body. There first we will start by giving the definition of compounds. You can give the definition from your book too. If 2 or more elements are found when a substance is broken down, it is called a compound. Many types of compound exist in our body. These substances perform various physiological activities. For example, hydrochloric acid plays a role in digestion of food in our stomach. Food is quickly digested through the secretion of hydrochloric from the wall of acid. Here I write the formula of hydrochloric acid. You will write the full form of hydrochloric acid. 3 compounds that exist in the human body are, because I show only one example by finding the molecular mass of glucose. Here you have to write 3 compounds name which molecular mass you want to determine. The calculation of the molecular mass of the compound with the symbol and atomic mass of the elements present in the compound are the formula, and the formula are given below. Now come to the determination. How we will determine? First I write the glucose chemical formula, and in bracket I have written the glucose name. Now again I have to write the formula of the glucose. This is C6H12O6. Element present in the glucose are carbon, that symbol is C, hydrogen, that symbol is H, oxygen, that symbol is O. The atomic mass of carbon is 12, the atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, and the atomic mass of oxygen is 16. So the molecular mass of glucose is equal to, here in the glucose 6 molecules are present of carbon, and 6 multiplied with 12 because carbon's atomic mass is 12, plus there is 12 molecule of hydrogen. 12 multiplied with hydrogen atomic mass. We know the atomic mass of hydrogen is 1.008, but in your book there is written in the integer, that is 1. So we have to follow our book because in the periodic table there is written only 1. So 12 multiplied with 1. Again come to next one, plus 6 multiplies 16. They are all, that 16 also taken from your book's periodic table, because in your book in the periodic table there is written the atomic mass of that atom in the integer. Now come to next step, 72 plus 12 plus 96, and in total the molecular mass of glucose is 180 gram. And like this way you have to find out 3 compounds atomic molecular mass by using these rules, and after that you have to write reporters names and address, name, class, role, institution name and date, and then you have to submit the assignment in our institution. Now come to the compounds found in human body. That is help from me, and you can also find out several names in the website. Now first one which I find out, that is glucose, and simple form of the carbohydrate, and protein and fat, that also are compounds, but it is a complex compound, so I just avoid protein and fat, and that after that water H2O, hydrochloric acid HCl, sodium chloride NaCl, oxygen that is O2, carbon dioxide CO2, pyruvic acid that we already learned in the respiration. First their produced chemical is pyruvic acid, or compound is pyruvic acid, so we can also write about the pyruvic acid C3H4O3. Then acetyl CoA, its chemical formula is C23H38N7O17 P3S. Now come to creatinine. Creatinine, you heard about these names, creatinine, uric acid, cholesterol, bilirubin, because when we go for blood testing, that's time we heard these names, and this by knowing the creatinine percentage we can easily understand how our kidney is working. And creatinine is present in our body, then its chemical formula is C4H7N3O. and next one is uric acid. In absence of more uric acid, there in our joint there will be swelling, and there we have the joint pain, and its chemical formula is C5H4N4O3. Now come to the cholesterol. This is known to us, very common fact. If we say we have high cholesterol, that means the percentage of fat is increases in our blood. So its chemical formula is C27H46O. Now come to bilirubin. If the bilirubin is increases to their its range, that shows us we have jaundice. Then chemical formula of bilirubin is C33H34N4O6. Dear students, you will select any three among of these, and you will calculate the molecular mass of that by following the atomic mass and by following the chemical formula of that element, of that compound. Dear students, your submission date of assignment 3 is 2nd September 2021. Dear students, I have finished my today's topic. Do the assignment properly and submit it. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.